Sify offers an excellent private networking service for its valuable customers. Its multi-protocol label switching (MPLS) services provide a consistent, scalable, high-performance and secure infrastructure built to create and direct a private and any-to-any or point-to-point WAN connectivity supported across its global backbone. Let's see how to set up an MPLS hub-and-spoke network model using Sify, our intuitive and user-friendly customer portal. To set up an MPLS hub-and-spoke model, you need to first log on to the Sify portal. On the login page, enter your email ID. And then click Login. Then, enter your password. And then click Login. On the left panel of the Sify homepage, click the network icon and select MPLS. This takes you to the MPLS page. On the MPLS page, there are two tabs. The My Links tab lists all the available live links, allowing you to manage them effortlessly. The Feasibility tab keeps you updated on new requests and their statuses. When a new order is placed, it progresses through various stages in our system, each marked by a different order status. While you are in the process of selecting the products for your order, the status will be shown as draft. If the request is being evaluated for feasibility, the status will be shown as checking feasibility. Once the order has been reviewed and is feasible to fulfill, the status will be shown as feasible. If some links do not meet the criteria and cannot be fulfilled at this time, the status will be shown as partially feasible. Once the purchase order document is generated and awaits your approval, the status will be shown as awaiting signature. Once you sign the document, the status of the order will be shown as order signed. Once the order is placed successfully in the ERP system, the order status will be changed to order placed. Once the sale order number or the booking number is generated, the order status will be moved to order completed. Once the product is delivered, the order status will be shown as order implemented. Now, to place a new link order, click New Link. This takes you to the New Link page. Choose your MPLS network model. Hub and Spoke is a centralized network that connects multiple networks, with one among them as Hub. For this demo, let's select Hub and Spoke. The New Link page opens with the Location 1 tab. Enter the implementation address for Location 1. Enter the required fields such as first line of address, second line of address, state, city, and PIN code. If you want to choose Location 1 as the hub, select Mark this as the hub of my network. Alternatively, you can choose a hub at a later point. Next, provide bandwidth details for Location 1. Select the required connection type, either fiber or wireless. The wireless option offers speeds up to 50 megabits per second, while the fiber option starts at 10 megabits per second and goes higher. For this demo, let's select wireless. Then, select the required bandwidth from the drop-down. Finally, provide contact information. Enter first name, last name, mobile number, and email address of the contact person. If you want to use the same contact information for all locations, select Use the same contact information for all locations. Click Next. Location 2 tab displays. Note that the hub and spoke model requires a minimum of 2 connections. Enter the implementation address details for Location 2. If you want to choose Location 2 as the hub, select Mark this as the hub of my network. Alternatively, you can choose a hub at a later point. Next, provide bandwidth details for Location 2. First, select the required connection type. Then, select the required bandwidth from the drop-down. Finally, provide contact information. Enter first name, last name, mobile number, and email address of the contact person. Click Next. Find the newly added links listed. To add more links, click Add Location and fill in the required location details. Then, click Submit for feasibility to proceed. An error message appears if you have not selected any location as the hub. Click OK on the error pop-up. In the action column of the preferred location that you want to choose as the hub, hover the mouse over the 3 dots and select Change this to Hub. An alert message appears if the selected location has less bandwidth than the other spoke locations. Click OK on the alert box. Choose a location with greater bandwidth than the other spokes to serve as the hub. Then, click Submit for feasibility. Read the information in the success message box and click OK. Find the newly created MPLS request listed in the Feasibility tab with the status checking feasibility. The feasibility evaluation might take 3 to 6 working days to complete. Once the status of the newly requested link is updated to feasible, click View Plans. On the link selection page, click View Plans to continue. Sify offers 3 contract periods, 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years, with different plan types, bronze, gold, and diamond. Select the required contract period. For example, choose a contract period of 3 years. Then, choose the plan type. For example, click Select to choose Diamond Plan. Then, click Next. On the Select Value Added Services page, select the required services. If you want a bundled router and managed services, select the respective checkboxes. Note: without selecting bundled router, you cannot select managed services. Then, click Next. To view and download the summary of the proposal, click Download Proposal. Then, click Add Ship to Bill to. This takes you to the plan details page. To add or remove links, click Add Remove Links. To add billing information to each link type, in the action column for each link type, click Add Ship to Bill to. In the Add Ship to Bill to page for the chosen link, enter the shipping address GST. Note that the shipping address is the same as that of the location 1 link. To use the same billing details for all locations, select Use the same billing details for all locations. If you want to use an existing address, select Existing Address. Select the state from the drop-down. Then, select the required address from the Select Address drop-down. Then, click Next. Find the status of the respective link type change to add it. Now, add billing information for the next link type. Click Add to Ship to. In the Add to Ship to page, provide the shipping address GST number. Since we opted to use the same billing details provided for location 1 for all locations, the system does not prompt billing details for location 2. Click Next. Click Next to continue. If you want to provide PO reference number, select Yes and provide the PO reference number. For this demo, let's keep the default selection, No. Then, click Next. Sign Order Document page opens. If you are the authorized signatory, click e-sign to sign the purchase order. To e-sign the order document, click Continue. This displays the order document. Click Sign to apply your e-signature in the respective places in the order document. Your signature will be applied on the purchase order document. Now, click Finish to successfully complete the signing of document. In case you are not the authorized signatory, you can share the order document to the designated signatory for approval. Click Share. In the Forward Order Document box, enter the required name and email address in the To section. Optionally, enter the required names and email address in the CC section. You can share the document with up to 5 people. Then, click Forward. Order document has been shared successfully. Note that the authorized signatory receives an email for signature. The designated person should either click the Click Here to Sign button or the link in the email received and follow the steps to sign the document. Click OK. Once the document is signed, the ordering process is complete. You can now go back to the Sify portal. Note that the status of the request is now updated as order placed. The order is now with Sify's delivery team for implementation. To view the signed order, click View. View the signed order details. To download the signed order document, click Signed Order. You have now successfully set up the MPLS hub and spoke model for your required locations. This configuration allows you to securely exchange data between endpoints through a private network. For any questions, you can always contact us at onesify@sifycorp.com. We will be happy to help you with the services you need.